The Jordan MVP 92 Gym Red is Jordan Brand's bold hybrid sneaker set to release in holiday 2025. Dressed in a vivid red nubuck with tonal mesh for breathability, it takes strong inspiration from the Air Jordan 7, seen in its layered midsole, sculpted shape, and iconic flight script tongue branding. Black accents highlight the midsoles, heel tabs, and tongue, while white details sharpen the jagged midsole edges and embroidered Jumpman logo. A mix of solid black and translucent rubber on the outsole ensures grip and durability. By blending heritage design cues from MJ's championship-era sneakers with modern updates, the Jordan MVP 92 Gym Red delivers both nostalgia and innovation. Available via Nike.com and select retailers, this release underscores Jordan Brand's ongoing mission to honor its history while reimagining classics for today's sneaker culture.